Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export notes from Standard Notes step by step. Exporting your notes is a great way to create a backup, move your data to another application, or keep an offline copy of your important information. So let's get started. First, open the Standard Notes app on your computer or sign in to the Standard Notes web app using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, allow your notes to finish syncing so you have the latest version of your data. Next, open your account, settings, or preferences menu, depending on the version of Standard Notes you're using. Look for the export, backup, or data export option to begin the process. Now choose the export format that's available for your account. Standard Notes may offer options such as exporting your notes in a standard archive or another supported format. Select the format that best fits your needs, then choose where you want to save the exported file on your computer. After starting the export, wait for the process to finish. If you have a large collection of notes, it may take a little longer to generate the backup file. Once it's complete, verify that the file has been saved successfully by locating it in your selected folder. Finally, store your exported backup in a safe location, such as an encrypted drive or secure cloud storage service, especially if it contains sensitive or personal information. And that's it. You now know how to export notes from Standard Notes and create a secure backup of your important data whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next